I'm Adam, and I'm here to tell you why I chose Bangor University. I've been a PGCE Secondary student and specialised in physical education. I chose to study at Bangor for several reasons. Having looked at other universities, I'd struggled to access specific information about the course, what it entailed and what would come up on the modules, and a lot of other things really. With Bangor, the information was readily available, and I was able to contact the course leaders long before the actual course start date. They were really approachable, they were friendly, and they were really happy to talk to me about anything I wanted. And being that I hadn't enrolled in the course at this point, I found that really, really good to see that they'd gone above and beyond to communicate with me. These professional relationships continued throughout my PGCE, and there was a team of people there that really, really did seem like they wanted to get me through it. The university obviously has a great reputation, and I've got a number of friends there who have attended at undergrad level, and they really couldn't place the place enough. On top of that, lots of my friends have gone on to do postgrad level there, and they've also had a great time. You'll actually see on the course that there's a fair few of them who've done both and just don't want to leave. The course itself is brand new and has been designed by people on the front line of education, whether that's people that work in schools currently, people that have worked in schools, or people that are university officials. They all know what they're talking about. And it's completely up to date with all things new in Wales and really looks to the future rather than what's gone on in the past. Everything theory that you learn about, you can contextualise in school experience and in lead school sessions. Both are really good. Lead school sessions are particularly good, not only because they're context learning, but you get to keep in touch with your course mates regularly. The people I met on the course are great, professional contacts to keep, but more importantly, have become genuine friends of mine. And every member of staff at the university wholeheartedly supports these friendships and go a long way to help facilitating them through informal meetings, go on trips and other events. Having that massive support network around you will help you get through your PGCE. Everyone really is all in it together. And I wouldn't hesitate in recommending studying at Bangor at any level, undergrad or postgrad. It's a great place with great people who go above and beyond because they want you to do well. And that's why I chose Bangor.